To remove the fan assembly, first remove the cable cover, the stand, and the rear cover. Disconnect the fan connector to the motherboard. Detach the 5 Torx 15 screws that secure the fan assembly to the PC. Each screw location is indicated by a stencil of an arrow on the fan bracket. Pull the fan assembly out of the unit. If replacing the fan, pull the fan connector out of the guide on the side of the fan bracket. Detach the 4 Torx 15 screws that secure the fan to the bracket. Pull the fan off of the bracket. To install a new system fan, align the screw holes on the fan over the standoffs on the bracket. Secure the fan to its bracket with 4 Torx 15 screws. Align the fan connector into the guide on the side of the fan bracket. To replace the fan assembly into the unit, place the fan assembly down over the motherboard until correctly seated. Secure the fan assembly in the unit with the 5 Torx 15 screws. Reattach the fan connector to the motherboard.